guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing kind of like a date night little vibe for you guys with like a smoky eye. I kind of just wanted to try something different for this makeup look, so I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and let's get into it. So I already kind of put my hair up, but I'm just gonna like show you guys step by step again like what I'm going to be using in this video. So I'm just gonna put on EOS chapstick because my lips have just been really chapped lately, and I feel like it's always good to do like a lip scrub or just moisturize your lips before you like put on your makeup. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do today is put on mascara. So I'm gonna be taking my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. So as you guys know, if you guys have watched my previous videos, this is one of my favorite mascaras. But yeah, so we're just gonna put on the first layer. So I kind of do like my steps backwards. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. And we're gonna go straight into concealer. So this look, I'm not going to be using foundation. You can use foundation as well, but I'm just gonna go into my concealer. So this look that I'm about to do is something that I would actually do on a daily basis, but I realized that like the eyeshadow was too dark. So I feel like this is just like a special like occasion kind of look, or when you go like on a date night. So that's why I kind of like. Also, I got a little pimple. I was gonna film the video earlier this week, but I was waiting for it to kind of go down so I don't have to deal with it or covered it. Like, I just wanted it to heal. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the Beauty Blender. So after the concealer, we're just gonna put on contour. So we're gonna put liquid contour first. So this shade is actually medium dark 115W. So this one is a little bit darker than the other concealer. I didn't want to go too dark for the liquid contour. Okay, and you're gonna take your Beauty Blender. You're just gonna blend that. So it does look really dark right now, but once I do everything step by step, it won't look so harsh. Okay, so after that, we're gonna be taking our Hoola Benefit Bronzer. And you could take the brush that comes with it, but I like to use this small brush. And then you're gonna go into the Hoola Bronzer. I don't really use this that much anymore. I still love it, but I just feel like during the summer it's better for me to use. Because if I use it like during the winter, it's gonna make me look super dark. Because I'm not tan right now. I tan really easily though during the summer. Excuse me. Then we're gonna take the Hoola Light bronzer, and you're gonna take your fan brush. You're just gonna brush that. Okay, so we are going to be doing soap brows for this look. I've just been getting like really into it. If you've seen my other videos, I kind of talk about it a lot more. So then you're gonna take the Pacifica setting spray. This one is the Hydro Mist. So this one's kind of, you can use it if you want like your face to be like kind of glowy. You don't want like that matte look also for setting spray, but I do spray it once just so it's easier to like apply. So So I think I am gonna fill in my eyebrows just a little bit for this look, since it is kind of like a date night kind of look vibe, because I usually don't fill them in personally, just because I feel like my eyebrows are already super dark. But this eyebrow pencil from Morphe, I got like a light shade, so it's perfect. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna take the other end, the little pencil. So I haven't done this yet actually in any of my videos, I don't think. So you're just gonna wanna fill in the ends. You don't really wanna focus on like the front part, because then you're gonna make your eyebrows way too dark. And now we're gonna go into highlight. So I am gonna skip blush for this look just because I feel like it's gonna be too much. So we're gonna take our angled brush. I usually use this brush for blush. We're gonna use it for highlight today. So we're gonna take the shade Summer. So this is my Anastasia highlighting kit. So you're just gonna go like this. Also, I'm going to do my second layer of mascara just before I do the eyeshadow. So this is a palette that I've used in most of my videos, and it's the Too Faced Natural Matte palette. So this one we are going to be using it today, but we're going to be using this row for the look. These shades right here. So we're gonna use Risky Biz, and that is the darkest shade right over here. And I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush. Okay, so this is the outer angle. So I always would do this. So you can tell it darkens up the eye, like it makes everything so much darker. So you really have to be careful. So this is like a smoky eye kind of like vibe look. And then we're gonna take our angled brush. Actually, no. We're gonna take this brush. So you're gonna take your setting spray. So the setting spray, you're just gonna spray it on the brush. And we're gonna go into our glitter. So this is the ColourPop glitter. And this is in the shade Ladybird. So this is one of my favorites just because I feel like it brightens up the eye. So you're just gonna dab your brush into that. And then you're going to lightly pat. So you're gonna wanna close your eyelid. And lightly pat your eyelid. Okay, so after that, we are gonna take the angled brush, and now we're gonna use cleavage. So this is the middle one, and we're gonna use that. I just feel like these colors blend really well together. So after that, we're gonna take this shade right here, Nude Goals. And you're gonna take the same brush, you just dab it in there. Okay, I see what the issue is here. This one looks so much thicker than this one. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the eyebrow wax one more time. And then you're gonna take a brush. You're just gonna brush up. And you're just gonna pat. So right now I know it looks a little like funky, but I have to put powder over it. Also, this eyebrow, the reason why this one looks darker is because of the lighting. I have more light hitting this side of my face. It took me like a second to realize that because I was like, whoa, why is this one darker than the other one? but it was the lighting. Okay, so after that, you're gonna want to take your Hoola Light bronzer, or take your powder afterwards, and you're just going to brush the top or just pat it, just so everything blends in and your eyebrows aren't just like super highlighted on your face. Okay, so after we finish the eyebrows, we're gonna go straight into lips. So I'm just gonna take off the leftover highlight and all that off my lips. So for this look, we're kind of just gonna base it off liner and lip gloss. So you're just gonna outline your lips. So this shade is Cafe, and this is by LA Girl as well. I just really like their lip liners. And then I'm gonna take it's So Juicy. So this one is Princess Cut, and this is a clear lip gloss. And you're just gonna go over your lips. And sometimes if you use like the clear gloss, that one will take like the pigment of the lip liner. So the lighting looks a little different because I just turned off one of my ring lights, but we are going to do the lashes. And I do heat up my eyelash curler just so like my eyelashes stay curled throughout the day. Putting on mascara before you curl them, you're gonna want to be really careful because you could pull out your lashes, but I've been doing it this way for years, so I don't. This eyelash splitter and just split eyelashes that are stuck together. Okay guys, so for this look, I am gonna curl my hair, but instead of using a small, hair curler, we're gonna use a wider one. Okay, so we are going to take the barrel and we're just gonna start curling away from the face. So you're gonna take a big chunk of your hair. Then you're gonna brush upwards so your hair just kind of like falls a little bit. And then you're gonna take your hairspray. Another thing you could do is take like little skinny front pieces and curl these a little more. So this just kind of adds you just kind of like brush through to kind of just like I feel like doing that kind of just gives you more volume or more movement like in the front, framing your face. This was the outfit that I picked for the video. I picked like a little nude vibe dress. I got this from the store Q at the mall, but for this look I kind of just wanted something a little more neutral to kind of like blend with the eye makeup look that I decided to do. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I kind of wanted to do like a smoky eye little vibe, also just like a date night look. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos.